Hello, lower school teachers and homeroom parents. It is time for another little video lesson on a tech tip for our new integration into Canvas with the Parent Hub. So what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be taking a look at how you guys are going to do your new sign-up sheets. So the first thing that the homeroom parent or teacher is going to do is they are going to click here on LHP event sign up sheet. And just like last time with the Parent Weekly News, it is going to ask you to make a copy of the document. So you are going to click Make a Copy. Once you have your copy, the first thing I'd like to do with this one is we are actually going to go ahead and move it to its new location before I show you how all of this is going to work. So you are going to click, actually let's rename it first. So parent sign up sheet 4, name it the homeroom teacher's name, and then you are going to click File, and you are going to click Move, and you are going to make sure you move this into the grade level folders, and then you are going to move this into whatever grade level. So let's say I teach 3rd grade, and let's say I am the homeroom parent for Ms. Bingle. So I am going to click here, and then I'm going to click Move here. So once it's in, all you have to do is anytime there is a new event that you want to create signups for, you're going to name that event. So bring pumpkins for the painting. I don't know lower school events, sorry. And then you're going to put the date, and then you are going to put the connection here, the link to the Sign Up Genius that has been created for this event. I have been told that lower school parents create these regularly and they know what they're doing with that, so we won't get into that, but you are just going to paste the link here. The only follow-up that needs to be done is the homeroom parent should be checking that Sign Up Genius on a regular basis, and you can update these with help needed, there's still room, or full. And this is just sort of the color code scheme that I came up with. So let's just talk about how to do that. If you want, first of all, since your template already has it, you can literally copy and paste and then write something like, this is the key. And then you can keep that over there forever and ever and ever. And then that way you can actually just, copy and paste these back to being blank. Or you can change the color by going up here, and you are going to select any section you want, and you are going to change the fill color. If you want to get rid of a fill color, you're going to click Reset. Anytime you go to type or you select, it'll automatically start writing over it. So if you want to keep what's there, you need to actually double click in order to edit. Common early user mistake there. So that's really pretty much it for the sign up sheet. It is going to be very simple. If you want, you can always share this directly. You do want to, again, make sure that you've changed the sharing settings like last time. So you are going to first make sure that you are sharing it to the homeroom teacher. So make sure you add their email. And then, of course, you as the homeroom parent want to be added on this so that you're able to update it. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to go up here and you are going to change it to anyone with the link is able to view. Okay, you want to make sure anybody with the link is able to look at this thing you are creating for them. And that's pretty much it. So that's your easy peasy setup guide with Sheets. All right, bye.